You're watching time convert into nothing while sitting in the room that could be generating income right now. Most people treat their living room like a resting space, a buffer zone between work and sleep. But that same square footage, that same internet connection, that same block of afternoon hours, could be running what I call the living room income system. A structure that turns available time into repeatable cash flow without leaving home. The gap isn't effort, it's not even skill. It's the belief that income requires a commute, a desk, a boss. Permission from someone else to decide when your labor becomes money. Notice what happens when you stop trading hours for wages. You start trading systems for income, and systems don't care where you sit. They care about repetition, clarity, and whether you can press the same buttons tomorrow that work today. The traditional work model depends on scarcity, your time, your location, your availability during someone else's schedule. The home-based model depends on abundance. Digital tools, recorded knowledge, platforms that never close. The shift isn't philosophical, it's structural. Here's the income recalibration most people miss. Every hour you spend commuting to a job is an hour you're not building the system that replaces it. Every meeting you attend for someone else's business is a meeting you're not holding for your own income structure. The cost isn't just time, it's the compounding loss of what that time could have built. Let's talk about what the living room income system actually is. It's not a side hustle, it's not passive income. It's the deliberate construction of repeatable revenue using three elements. A digital skill that solves a problem, a platform that distributes that skill, and a price point that makes repetition worth your time. You don't need a storefront. You don't need employees. You don't need venture capital or a business plan reviewed by a bank. You need a laptop, a stable internet connection, and the ability to do the same high-value task multiple times without reinventing it daily. The friction point for most home-based mothers isn't capability. It's the assumption that real income requires real infrastructure. An office, a team, a legal entity, but income doesn't care about aesthetics. It cares about whether value moved from one account to another, whether the transaction repeated, whether you can do it again next week. This is where most income attempts break. People choose complexity over repetition. They launch businesses that require constant presence, constant innovation, constant energy, and within 3 months, the system collapses under its own weight. The living room income system works because it eliminates variability. You're not reinventing your offer every day. You're refining delivery. You're not chasing new clients every week. You're optimizing how existing clients find you. You're not building a brand. You're building a routine that generates predictable cash flow. Here's the part no one talks about. Most side hustles fail because they're designed like hobbies. They have no scalability, no leverage, no way to earn more without working more. The living room income system starts with scalability. The question isn't what can I do? The question is what can I do once that pays me multiple times? Digital products, recorded training, template-based services, subscription models, these aren't trends. They're income structures that decouple your time from your earnings. You create once, you sell repeatedly, you refine the delivery. But you don't rebuild the product every time someone buys. The hardware matters here, if you're running income systems from home. Your tools need to support repetition without friction, a quality webcam for recorded content, a microphone that doesn't distort during long sessions, a planner that tracks income tasks separately from household tasks. These aren't luxuries, they're infrastructure. And the return on a $100 tool that saves you 5 hours a week compounds faster than most people calculate. Links to the specific tools I use are in the description, not because you need those exact models, but because most people underestimate how much a stable setup accelerates income consistency. Now let's address the identity layer, because this isn't just about money. It's about the shift from being available to everyone else to being unavailable for anything that doesn't serve your income system. That's uncomfortable, especially for mothers, especially for women conditioned to prioritize responsiveness over structure. But autonomy doesn't come from working harder. It comes from protecting the time blocks where income gets built. It comes from saying no to low-value requests. It comes from treating your living room like a business location, not because it needs to look like an office, but because the hours you spend there need to be treated with the same respect you'd give to a shift at someone else's company. The myth is that home-based income is flexible, and it is. But flexibility without boundaries becomes chaos. The living room income system works when you define your income hours, your creation hours, your optimization hours, and you defend them the same way you'd defend a meeting with a CEO. Most people don't fail because they lack ideas. They fail because they don't protect the time required to execute those ideas repeatedly. They let interruptions normalize. They let guilt override structure, and 6 months later, they're back at a job they hate because the income system never had space to stabilize. Here's the economic truth: time is the only non-renewable asset in your income structure. Money can be earned again, skills can be learned again, but the hours you lose to distraction, to low-value tasks, to other people's priorities, those don't come back, and every hour spent outside your income system is an hour your system didn't grow. The compounding close works like this: you build the system once, you refine it daily, you repeat it weekly, and within 6 months, the income you generate from your living room starts to match, then exceed, the income you used to earn by leaving home. Not because you worked more, but because you structured better. The shift isn't about ambition, it's about architecture. And the architecture starts in the room you're sitting in right now. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial, legal, or professional advice. Any income results depend on individual effort, market conditions, and execution. Some links in the description may be affiliate links, meaning I may earn a commission at no additional cost to you if you make a purchase. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.